In recent years, the cryptocurrency market has experienced its fair share of ups and downs. While some coins have skyrocketed in value, others have plummeted, leaving investors wondering where to turn next. And in 2021, we saw Bitcoin hit an all-time high, only to experience a steep drop shortly after. But don't let that discourage you from exploring the world of crypto. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023, along with the latest crypto news and market trends. We'll dive into each coin's potential for growth, its unique features and use cases, and why they might just be the best crypto investments in the market right now. Whether you're a seasoned investor or new to the world of crypto, this is a must-watch video for anyone looking to keep up with the latest market crypto trends and make informed investment decisions. But before diving into more about that, let me first welcome you aboard for this episode of Finance Arc. On this channel, we set sail on a journey into the vast realm of financial matters, where we guide you through every step of the process and assist you in navigating the challenging world of finance, from simple budgeting advice to more advanced investing strategies. So grab your life vest and get aboard the Finance Arc. So, let me ask you this. Have you ever heard of Ethereum before? If not, don't worry. Ethereum is both a cryptocurrency and a blockchain platform. It's a favorite among developers because of its potential applications, like smart contracts and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. But what happened to Ethereum in 2023 that made it a topic of conversation? Well, let me tell you. In November of 2022, the crypto market took a big hit, and Ethereum was no exception. It hit a yearly low of $1,091. But, like a phoenix rising from the ashes, Ethereum rebounded sharply, and is now back up to nearly $1,800 as of May 3rd, 2023. Now, here's a question for you. What do you think caused the overall market crash in November 2022? Was it due to a lack of investor interest, or was it a result of some external factor? One thing to keep in mind is that despite its recent dip, Ethereum has experienced tremendous growth over the years. From April 2016 to the beginning of March 2022, its price went from about $11 to over $3,000, increasing more than 27,000%. Plus, Ethereum successfully made the switch to a proof-of-stake blockchain late last year, which is a big deal in the world of cryptocurrency. But as with any investment, there are always risks involved. While Ethereum has a lot of potential for growth, it is also subject to market volatility and other risks, so it's important to do your own research and invest wisely. Second, DeeLance. DeeLance puts everything about employers and freelancers on the blockchain, which makes it a super secure and trustworthy platform. It also protects both parties by keeping the funds in escrow while the work is being performed. Plus, DeeLance has a unique feature where the deliverables are tokenized as NFTs. This allows businesses to take full ownership of the work they pay for, unlike other freelance marketplaces. Now, let's talk about what happened with DeeLance in the past year. As you all know, the overall crypto market has crashed, and DeeLance's price followed suit, reaching an all-time low in November 2022. However, as of May 2023, it has rebounded sharply and is now the best crypto to buy. What's exciting is that DeeLance's price surge is not a fluke. The market trends initiate that this crypto is on the rise. The project's decentralization, transparency, and security are what's driving its growth. But investing in DeeLance is not without its risks. As with any crypto, its value can fluctuate widely, and there's always the chance that the project won't succeed. However, with the potential for DeeLance to disrupt the massive freelance marketplaces like Upwork and Freelancer, it's a risk that could pay off big time. Third, Hate Inu. Have you heard about Hate Inu? It's the latest craze that's taking the crypto world by storm. It's a meme coin. But wait, don't roll your eyes just yet. Hate Inu is different from your average meme coin. Let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, there was a little coin named Hate Inu. It started as a joke, just like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, but it quickly became clear that it was no laughing matter. In just the first 3 weeks of its pre-sale, Hate Inu raised more than $2 million. Can you believe it? But what is Hate Inu, and why is it so special? Well, for starters, it's based on the popular Doge meme, which is already a hit with the masses. But Hate Inu isn't just a meme, it's also a utility coin. That means it has real-world use cases beyond just being a fun internet sensation. One of the advantages of investing in Hate Inu is that it has a dedicated team of developers constantly working to improve the project. They're working on building a decentralized exchange, DEX, called Hate Swap, which will allow users to swap Hate Inu for other cryptocurrencies without relying on a centralized exchange. Hate Inu also has a unique staking system that rewards holders with a portion of the transaction fees. The more Hate Inu you hold, the higher your staking rewards. But as with any investment, there are also some disadvantages to consider. Hate Inu is a new project, so it's still relatively untested. It's also important to remember that meme coins are inherently volatile, and the market can be unpredictable. So it's important to do your research and invest only in what you can afford to lose. Fourth, Ecotera. Ecotera is on a mission to help save the environment and combat climate change. And they're doing so in a unique way. They've created a Web3 app that rewards individuals and businesses for being more sustainable. By simply scanning the barcode on each plastic or aluminium bottle they can recycle and taking a photo of the receipt, users are instantly rewarded with Ecotera, the project's own cryptocurrency. But that's not all. Ecotera is also working with companies to track and verify their sustainability efforts, and rewarding them with Ecotera based on their environmental impact. This means that businesses that prioritize sustainability are not only doing their part to save the planet, but they're also getting paid for it. Now, you might be wondering how this is possible. Well, Ecotera uses blockchain technology to ensure transparency and accuracy in tracking sustainability efforts. The project's aim is to create a decentralized, sustainable economy that benefits everyone involved. And the best part? The market trends are looking for good Ecotera. As more and more people become aware of the need for sustainable practices, the demand for green crypto projects like Ecotera is on the rise. In fact, the project's Ecotera token has seen a significant increase in value over the past few months. But before you jump on board and start investing in Ecotera, it's important to consider the potential disadvantages as well. As with any investment, there's always a level of risk involved. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, and the value of Ecotera can fluctuate rapidly. However, if you're passionate about the environment and want to support a project that's making a real difference, investing in Ecotera could be a great opportunity. Just make sure you do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. Lastly, Bitcoin. Imagine investing in the next Bitcoin when it first started out. That's what we're talking about here. So the first ever digital currency to hit the crypto market was Bitcoin. And let's be real, it's been a pretty successful investment for early adopters. But have you heard about this new cryptocurrency that has the potential to be even more profitable? Yes, you heard it right. Tiger Coin. Now, you might be wondering what's so special about this new crypto. Well, let me tell you. Tiger Coin is built on the same blockchain technology that powers Bitcoin, but with a few key differences. For starters, it's designed to be more energy efficient, which is a hot topic in the crypto world right now. And the best part? Tiger Coin is still in its early stages, which means there's a huge potential for growth. In fact, some experts are predicting that Tiger Coin could be the next big thing in the crypto market. But before you jump in and invest all your hard-earned money, let's take a closer look at the market trends and news surrounding Tiger Coin. As of now, Tiger Coin has been steadily increasing in value, and its market cap is on the rise. There's definitely some buzz around this new crypto, and it's definitely one to keep an eye on. Now, let's talk about the advantages and disadvantages of investing in Tiger Coin. The advantage is obviously the potential for huge returns on your investment, but the downside is that it's still a relatively new and unproven cryptocurrency, which means there's always a risk involved with investing. But hey, isn't that the case with any investment? It's up to you to weigh the risks and rewards and make an informed decision. By taking the time to learn about these top 5 cryptocurrencies and researching them further, you can make informed investment decisions and potentially reap significant rewards. The cryptocurrency market is constantly evolving, And staying up to date with the latest trends and developments is crucial to making successful investments. By doing your due diligence and investing wisely, you can take advantage of the exciting and ever-changing world of crypto. Are you ready to take control of your finances? Subscribe to our channel for more tips on savings and investments. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's grow our wealth together. Stay tuned.